Hello, Gecko. Hello. Alrighty, guys, day 2. So where are we going?
Wet side.
Wet side. Because this isn't wet.
We're going to Hanalei Bay.
Hanalei Bay. All the fun names. So, this is which lighthouse is this?
I don't know. It's Kilua.
The one that
Lighthouse.
shines at things. Kilua Lighthouse. We're going with that.
Not Kilua. Kilua.
Kilua. There's apparently birds and stuff here. It smells like birds. Birds. We're in a Japan theme shop here. So we have this book at home. Just cool. They have kimonos and stuff. Everything here is just beautiful. Hanalei National Wildlife Refuge. Beautiful. No, flip flop, come back. Come back. So, we're at the beginning of a river. The lighting's not very good because apparently this side of the island is always cloudy, if not raining, which is pretty cool. The river was cold. It was also surprisingly deep. I thought, hey, what the heck, I'm gonna walk across it because it's so shallow right here, but it's just really, really deep. And then there were rocks, and that hurt. So, but Jonathan and I are all good. Right, Jonathan? Yeah. I was blind as I could be, thinking love's not from me, till the night I met that cow named Tennessee.
It's so loud.
What's up, John? John. Hey. Hi, say hello. Even in Hawaii, we gotta keep up with that baseball. Dodgers just scored a grand slam. We're not very happy. I am unhappy.